Alright, how's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another video, and today what I have for everyone is my fit and sound demo with the LavaBeans E10 truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds. Alright, so today in this video we're going to do a few things. Starting off, we're going to do a fitting demonstration. I'm going to talk to everyone about the overall fit and feel of the earbuds and how I have the earbuds set up. And then we're going to do two sound sample tests. The first test is going to be a leakage test, so y'all get an idea how much leakage comes off of the earbuds when they're in use at max volume. And then the second sound sample test is going to be a sound sample to the best of my ability. Also in this video, I'm going to give you my overall thoughts on the overall sound quality, the volume, and the bass on these earbuds, and then we're going to wrap it up. Okay, I'll also be sure to reiterate that in the full review of these earbuds. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay, starting off here, let me give y'all a real quick fitting demonstration and talk to you guys and gals about the overall fit and feel and comfort of the earbuds. So as y'all can see, from the front profile, you can see I have the earbuds in my ears, and you can see it's very noticeable that I have the earbuds in my ears. Okay, so if you're wearing the earbuds around town or out and about, people are definitely going to be able to notice. Okay, now turning to my right, giving y'all a shot of the left earbud here, y'all can see just what it looks like here. Now, in terms of comfort, I would have to say these fit me almost perfectly. Not quite perfect, but almost perfect. Now, I decided to stick with the earbud tips that came on the earbuds out of the box by default. I felt like those gave me the absolute best fit. All right. But I always recommend that you take the time to go through the included earbud tips when you pick up Bluetooth earbuds, so you get the absolute best fit, feel, and overall sound quality, and most importantly, overall bass. Okay, the fit is very important to determining your overall experience with the earbuds. That's why I always recommend you take the time to go through the included earbud tips to find the absolute best fit. But at least for me, the included earbud tips that came on the earbuds out of the box were almost perfect. Okay, so that was the left earbud. Now let me turn to the left, give y'all a shot of the right earbud here, and pretty much it's the same thing. Really good overall fit. I don't have any issues. Now it does move ever so slightly, but it doesn't take away from the overall experience. So really good overall fit. Really comfortable for extended listening sessions. No issues with the overall fit and feel in my opinion. Okay, and just to give y'all a real quick shake test here, y'all can see shaking very vigorously, not coming out. So in terms of the overall fit, these actually fit me really good, and I haven't had any issues. Okay, so that goes over the fitting demonstration. Now let's move on and talk about the overall sound samples here. Starting off here, we're going to do a leakage test. Now for reference, I connected up the earbuds to my Samsung Galaxy Tab S6. Okay, and that's what I'm going to throw up. I'm going to have some B-roll thrown up in post, letting y'all know and see how everything is connected. I've also already previously set the volume on the earbuds to 100% volume. Again, I'll have the B-roll thrown up in post, letting y'all see that, because I'm all about keeping everything straight 100 around here. And also for reference, the mic recording all the audio for this video here today is less than a foot away from my mouth, so it should do a really good job picking up all the leakage from the earbuds. Y'all let me know how it does down below in the comments. As always, all comments, all feedback is greatly appreciated. Just keep it respectful, please. All right, so I'm gonna have B-roll of that thrown up in post, so y'all see it connected. Y'all see how I have everything connected, and I'm also gonna throw up some B-roll of a close-up of the earbuds. This way y'all get some really nice shots of the earbuds. This way it helps you determine if you want to pick them up. Alright, so without further ado, let's jump into these sound samples now. And again, the first one is going to be a leakage test. Let's go. 100% volume. Let's push play. Okay, let me pause this. Let me rewind this for the next audio sample. And let me give y'all my thoughts on the overall sound quality, the volume, and the bass on these earbuds. Now, talking about the overall sound quality, based off of what I'm doing here in this video, based off of what I just heard, what I experienced, the overall sound quality on these, in my opinion, is top notch. There's little to no distortion on the low or the high ends of the volume spectrum. All the instruments sound really good, no issues whatsoever. So top notch overall volume in my opinion. Now, talking about the overall volume, top notch overall sound quality in my opinion. Now, moving on and talking about the overall volume is pretty much the same thing. With these earbuds on, with them set to a comfortable volume of about 50 to 75% volume or better, even at 100% volume, I really can't hear anything but what I'm listening to. So these are really good in my opinion for drowning out your surroundings and fully immersing yourself in whatever you're trying to do with earbuds, whether it be streaming your favorite playlists on Pandora, Spotify, or YouTube Music, or streaming your favorite Netflix shows or Hulu shows. You have it, you name it, these earbuds are going to do a great job. And the overall sound quality, I'm mixing them up now. The overall volume of the earbuds, in my opinion, is top notch. Now, jumping over to the overall bass of the earbuds, I'd have to say the bass on these is really good indeed. Very deep, very punchy. You can definitely feel the music, but it's just missing a little bit of grit, a little bit of punch in my opinion. I want that grittiness to really come through. I want that punch to really come through. I want it to be like, wow, damn. It's missing just a little bit of that, but the overall bass in my opinion is really good. So let me reiterate, the overall sound quality, top notch. The overall volume, top notch. And the overall bass on these, really good indeed. Okay, now let me go ahead and give y'all a sound sample to the best of my ability, and then we're gonna go ahead and wrap the video up. So here we go. Let me push play again, and let's hold these up to the mic. Okay, let's go. So here's one. Let me try not to drop it like a noob. Oh man, it's so slippery, these build materials. Okay, that's two. All right, and we're gonna hold it right here for about 30 seconds, starting now. That's 20 seconds down. Let me give you an extra 10. And there we go. Put these back in. One tap, play and pause. Pause that up. Alright guys and gals, and that pretty much does it for this video here today. So once again, this has been my fit and sound demo with the LavaBeans E10 truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds. Alright? As always, if you guys and gals liked and enjoyed the video or you found it helpful, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you guys and gals would like to see more content or coverage like this on other earbuds that I've done, please also feel free to hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. That being said, if this video piqued your interest and you would like to know where you can pick up these earbuds, all the affiliated buy links to pick up these earbuds will be available down below in the video description, along with all of my extended coverage on the earbuds to date will also be linked up down below in the video description as well. So down below in the video description will truly be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. And I have to mention this in the interest of full disclosure, those affiliated buy links are just that. When you use those links, I do get a small percentage of kickback that I do put back into the channel so I can keep bringing and producing content for you guys and gals, but that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals, so it's a win-win for everyone in my opinion. Alright, this whole video here today was recorded using a combination of the front and the rear facing cameras on the Samsung Galaxy S7 Active in 720p at 30 FPS, okay? And we are using my professional clip-on microphone. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality as well as what you think of the overall sound quality down below. And also let me know, how do y'all feel the earbuds performed? All right? And also, if you did decide to pick up the earbuds, how do you feel about the overall fit and the overall comfort and the overall sound quality, volume, and bass? Let's get into a nice respectful conversation down below in the comments. I'll meet you guys and gals down there. And remember everyone, as always, keep it respectful, please. Okay, I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next one. We are out of here. Have a good one, everybody. Peace.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride.